Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about ocean on our earth. Today I will teach you the solar system. Do you know what is the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun and everything that orbits around it, including planets, moon, asteroids, comets and meteoroids. Scientists estimate that the age of the solar system about 9 billion miles from the sun. In easy way, you can say that the sun, together with the 8 planets, their moons and all other bodies that orbit it, including planet, asteroids, comet and meteoroids. Children, why is the solar system so important? Listen, the sun's gravitational force holds the solar system together. It also provides us with light and heat that are powered by nuclear reaction burning constantly inside the sun. Without this light and heat, there would be no life on the earth. So, the sun is very important to us. Now, children, see what is written in your book. The solar system refers to the group of heavenly bodies that move around the sun. The system consists of the sun, 8 planets and their satellites, comets, asteroids, meteors and meteoroids. The 8 planets that move around the sun are as seen in the picture. Now see the picture. After then come to the exercise. In question number A, write true or false next to each. Here some statements are given. In front of the statement you have to write true or false. First one, stars have their own heat and light. True. Meteors are called shooting star. True. The sun is the brightest star. False. Comets have long heads and short tails. False. Shooting stars are not stars. True. Orbit is a fixed path followed by a planet. True. We see the sunlight as soon as the sun rises. False. Next question is B number. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. Here first one is comets have tails pointing away from the sun. The nearest star to us is the sun. Third one, the word planet means wanderer. Fourth, Jupiter is the largest planet. Number 5, Mars is also known as red planet. 6, satellites are followers of planets. Next 7, Venus is called the morning star. 8, Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Next C, tick mark the correct answer. Here one statement is given and in front of the statement 3 options are there. You have to choose the correct option there from there. First one, the lightest planet is, 3 options are Earth, Venus, Saturn. Answer is Saturn. The smallest planet is Mercury. The hottest planet is Venus. The biggest member of the solar system is Sun. The Moon is a satellite. Next question. Next to each statement, write the name of the planet to which it applies. You have to write the planet name. Number 1, it is the fastest rotating planet, Jupiter. 2, it appears blue in color, Neptune. 3, it is called the evening star, Venus. Number 4, it is surrounded by a system of rings, Saturn. Number 5, it is called the red planet, Mars. Number 6, it is the closest planet to the sun, that is Mercury. 7 number, it has a greenish tint, is Uranus. Number 8, it is the farthest planet from the sun, Neptune. Number 9, it rotates from east to west, that is Venus. Number 10, it has only one satellite, that is Earth. Children, last question. E number is written, write true or false next to each. In front of each statement, you have to write the true or false. Read the, see here, first one is, the sun is a star, that is true. Number 2, planet have their own light, is false. Number 3, the moon is an artificial satellite, false. 4 number, a constellation is a group of stars, true. Some planets have no satellites, true. Number 6, the brightness of stars is measured in terms of magnitude, is true. Number 7, all asteroids, comets and meteors are made up of rock and ice, is false. Number 8, most asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter, that is true. Number 9, Uranus has 14 satellites, that is false. Number 10, meteors are called shooting stars, that is true. Now, all the questions A, B, C, D, E, these are given in description. You have to write from there in your book or copy.